So I'm trying to. It's simple is here.
Happy birthday!
Thanks. I'm sitting in a hospital outside in the garden.
Yeah, this is not because of nothing to do with me.
No, nothing to do with you, but I'm sitting in a garden and there are a lot of machhars here.
Yeah.
Hi.
And get your phone horizontal.
Like this?
No. Can
Does
you
it?
open it?
Does it help?
Unlock it. Unlock it.
How do you unlock it? Like what?
It's
Not
just
unlocking
the
do?
name which is simple.
Yeah.
Okay, what do I do?
Unlock your phone and go horizontal.
Well, when was my phone locked?
I mean, unlock the
unlocked.
screen.
Screen rotation.
Unlock the
How do you do
screen.
that? How do you do that?
Swipe down.
Like the
Okay.
As I said, only the name is simple.
अच्छा आगे तो बोल. Okay, आगे बोलो. What do I do?
Screen down.
It's okay, we'll manage.
And you see a lock, a screen lock which says. Anyways, I love you.
I
We love
can't
you with
see.
on every act.
Yeah, I love you too, but
Hai
okay. Last chance. I can say share contact, stop the video, and
No. Have you done a
mute,
correct. Can you see
mute,
that?
more, and I can see more, in which chat, meeting settings,
Wait,
minimize
somebody's gonna call
meeting,
Steve
all that
Jobs.
is there. Okay, I have no idea.
अच्छा ठीक
No,
है.
you put like this.
white down.
Make it simple.
Okay, yeah.
From the drop down menu, just select the screen rotation.
So I can see four of you. I can see four of you. I mean, four screens here.
Hello. We are six.
Yeah.
We are six here.
Yeah, if I go there, then I'm able to see. So right now, screen में चार
So
दिखते हैं.
unlock it.
उसके बाद, how do you unlock it, Kunal?
कुणाल दिखाना यार, आधा काम क्यों कर रहा है? Pull down, unlock.
Yeah.
So this. पूरा दिखाया.
Okay. तो आप pull down, unlock नहीं पता कैसे होता है.
Unlock का एक lock बना होगा screen का.
भाई कोई lock नहीं है unlock का.
दिखा दे यार कुणाल.
We'll manage.
I think the person go like this.
Okay, we'll manage anyways. She's gone. She's run away.
What is this?
I'm trying to figure out. I can't see any unlock.
It's okay.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, guys. Yeah, let's start.
Come back home and I will teach you.
All right.
Okay.
Must try.
So hi Simple,
Yeah,
बहुत स्वागत है आपका. और हम अभी आप ही के बारे में बात हो रही थी, जो करंट ट्रैक चल रहा है उस पे बात हो रही थी.
Thank you. Okay.
बहुत सारे लोग इसको रियल समझ के मैं देख रही हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे लिख भी रहे थे कैसे कर सकते हैं. शी इज वेरी गुड, शी इज वेरी क्यूट और ये और वो. आपको किस तरह का फीडबैक आ रहा है?
मुझे बहुत obviously बहुत ज्यादा feedback आता है saying that stay strong, we are with you, or some women say that they've gone through it and they understand. Some also say that they got goosebumps. It felt so real. We could not see. A lot of them say that we cried watching this. And a lot of them say that it's such a good initiative by the channel, to actually talk about it. So yeah, I'm getting, but most of them come with saying that we really cried and we got goosebumps. And a lot of them give me strength. And I say, nothing's happening with me. It's just a character. I can't hear. Oh shit. I can't hear. What? Okay. Hello?
Neelam,
I can't hear. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
मैंने म्यूट में चला के फिर अपना सवाल पूछा.
Yeah.
Slow claps.
Girl power.
थैंक यू. सो आप सबसे पूछना चाहूंगी, कभी रियल लाइफ में किसी के साथ या फिर कहीं पे इस तरह का कोई एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों ने किया हो?
मेरी तो हाउस हेल्प के साथ हुआ था. और हमने उसकी हेल्प की थी. इनफैक्ट शी वाज इन लव विद समवन एल्स आल्सो एंड आई सेड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, डू नॉट फील गिल्टी अबाउट इट. You can have an affair, it's all right. If you don't want to be in a marriage, get out of it. So then she said, I'm just waiting for my daughter to finish her exams and, you know, a board. And once she comes in college, I'll be able to say and get out. But I helped her mentally that it's all right to, you know, stay out of a marriage, get out of a marriage which is giving you trouble. One second, mera phone aa raha tha. Yeah, which is giving you trouble. And it is all, she's financially stable. And her husband is to beat her and physically abuse her, use her. And whenever he wanted to have sex, he will. So it is a very torturous marriage that she is in. But I try to help her. I say, you don't need anyone. You are financially strong and he's in fact dependent on you. So she said, my kids and all are there. And this is, I'm talking about an uneducated society. I mean, she's still slightly educated. But I helped her saying that I'm there always and I'll help you out with whatever you want. And you should fight it out and, you know, go legal. But a lot of them are not able to do that because they don't want to. Maybe they start accepting that whatever is happening, we will one day get out of it, let the children grow or let the children not know. You know, all this happens. But हमारे आसपास बहुत होता है. In fact, Karan has also experienced when I heard him saying in one of the interviews.
Yes, I have.
Karan, you were saying,
child,
yeah.
Especially from the age I am, I think काफी सारे cases थे. And you know, as a child, you would really get scared. You wouldn't know how to react. You can't even help that person. But now, if I get to hear something, I'm there. And मतलब बड़े होके तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. But we've always had a third person come in to solve things and not get out of hand. Because you know, altercations between a man and a woman is pretty common. But getting into the physical part and, you know, disturbing your peace for it, it's not worth it. तो लड़कियों को तो बड़ी clearly बोलूँगा, they stop because they don't want to stick their neck out. So ऐसा नहीं है. I think you should stand up at the first instance only. पहली बार में ही रोक दो. Don't think that there's going to be a second time or it won't be a second time, because once an abuser, always an abuser. So please stand up for yourself.
मैं तुझे अब रोक दूंगी finally, Karan.
पक्का?
Yeah.
रुकने वालों में
Sorry,
से नहीं हूँ. हाँ, अभय बोल
He
यार.
is
करण
so
करण मत बोल.
believable. Abhay is so believable when he acts. Oh my God, you actually feel that this is what he's doing it. So it makes the other person's acting also feel real. वो सच में ऐसे करता है कि लगता है.
Like after a
हाँ,
cut,
तो
she
मुझे
takes
रुलाता
about
है.
5-7 minutes to come back. Yeah. And like
नहीं,
the
ऐसा
DOP and the director have to come to her. You're all right. ऐसा मतलब she makes me feel guilty after every shot.
Shut up! He's lying.
कुणाल
And
and
just to
दिलजोत,
tell your
आप कुछ
audience,
कहना चाहेंगे?
She cries on cue without whistling. I mean, she's this much away from taking it back. Cut. There. Goes back. Okay, next.
He always jokes. He always jokes around.
Okay,
मैं जब
jokes apart.
बोलना शुरू करती
Simple. How's dad now? I hope he's recuperating well.
He's still in the surgery. He's being operated. He's in the operation theater. So we don't know. We still have some time for him to come out.
We'll
I have no idea.
pray hard for him. And नीलम जी
Thank
आपके
you.
सबके audience को भी बोलना. She's
बिल्कुल.
going.
सारे लोग जितने लोग सिंपल को प्यार करते हैं, आई थिंक वो सभी कर रहे होंगे. एंड कुणाल, दिलजोत, आप बहुत ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ये जो करंट ट्रैक चल रहा है, और स्पेशली हमने एज अ ऑडियंस इस शो में इस तरह की किसी भी चीज की एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, क्योंकि एक दूसरे टेंजेंट का शो है. जब भी आपको आया तो कुछ अलग ऐसा फील हुआ आपको?
Definitely, I think I'm proud to be part of a project that talks about these issues. That talks about domestic abuse. It talks about breaking gender stereotypes. So in those respects, I think it's a fantastic show. We're talking about social issues, and if I have to give an example, again, similar thing happened with my house a while back, and for her, she was not ready to accept the situation at that point of time, and she chose to remain in that situation. Or ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं who don't see a way out. And it's very difficult to even convince them that, you know, when the victim decides it's over, the enemy doesn't stand a chance. But yeah, I think acceptance of the situation is probably the first step, which we couldn't really actually make her convinced at that point of time. But abhi to, I mean, she's
दिलजोत
मैंने इनफैक्ट बहुत सारी औरतों को आपस में बात करते हुए सुना हुआ है. See, I don't want to take any names. I don't want to get into because I have seen this. In fact, औरतें समझा रही होती हैं कि it happens, कोई बात नहीं, हो गया, चलो जाने दो, अगली बार नहीं होगा शायद, you know. So I think वहाँ पर भी एक discrepancy है. As a woman, you should put your foot down for the woman at least and tell her कि ये हो गया and that's it. This is the end of everything. And of course, people can be apologetic and stuff like that, and people can change, but this should be on high priority because it's not only just an Indian problem now. Because of the pandemic, it's become a global issue, and you know, people staying together in the houses stuck. We've heard from Brazil to Argentina to so many other places that these domestic violence cases have gone really over the roof. So at least as a woman, you should be able to support the other person, like Simple did. कि भाई हाँ, she can also say कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, continue. It's a house help after all. How much can you support? But she was kind enough and brave enough to tell her that. So that's one thing that I want to point out.
Because mentally also they should feel that they don't know about their right only. They don't know about their right. So mentally they should feel that they're doing. Why should you feel guilty to live the life how you want to live? And why should you get pressurized in a power game?
And as I said in the earlier interview, it's not only the lower class or the lower middle class or even in the higher class. I've seen somebody come in a party wearing shades just because she's been hit on her eye. So these things are pretty common even at the high end of society. But women take it. They think they don't want to let go of a lot of other things just because of this small thing. They consider it pretty small. So I think kudos to the channel also to take up this social cause, Sony sab, and make awareness out of it. बहुत बड़ी चीज है ये. एक चैनल के लिए भी एक तरह का रिस्क होता है कि एक it's a very touchy topic.
हाँ, उठाने से बचते हैं normally जो चैनल होते हैं.
हाँ, कई बार जिन घरों में हो रहा होगा वो नहीं देखना चाहेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, but I hope इससे कुछ सीखें और कुछ अच्छा निकल के आए.
Yeah. So Diljot,
I think आपकी turn. I was just agreeing with what Karan just said, that it's not just limited to the maybe the lower class, because I had a neighbor back in Indore, and also I agree with Kunal that the sense of realization in the first place is very, very important, because and also parents, they play a very, very big role in terms of like young girls, how they've the way they see the atmosphere around them that they've brought up. Because her mom used to come home, my neighbor, she used to get like burns everywhere, like on her body, like all those her husband was like that cruel that she used to get like big holes on her hand each other day. So her mom used to come home, and she was financially stable. She was actually pretty rich and educated. But then her mom used to be like, this is what it is. Like, this is what, I used to do, and this is how it's supposed to be. The marriage changes will happen eventually. And I think you should stick and try to adjust, and maybe, he'll change for good sooner or later. But then obviously it didn't happen, and it's very important for the parents to for the upbringing, to talk about it to young girls, and
teach them about red flags.
Create that kind of an atmosphere that the girl knows there is a sense of realization when she wants to. Standing up is a different thing. That's maybe the second step or later on, but being aware of that feeling that, oh, this is wrong. And that is very, very important from a very young age. Right?
Yeah, bilkul.
I think just to point out what Diljot also said, it's also begins from the upbringing, and it's not only for the girls. I think the boys,
Boys,
अभी
yeah.
कई ads भी देख चुके हैं हम. It's not about that boys don't cry. They don't make girls or anybody else cry. That should be
That's what Seema ji wrote to in my yesterday's post when I spoke about
Correct.
domestic
So-
violence. She mentioned the same thing, our producer, that the voice should be in India should be raised well. I mean, in not
Yeah.
only in the country, the world should be
Yeah.
raised well.
Correct. And they should, I think boys should cry. It's ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, because most of the emotions, the kind of emotions they hold on, it comes out on the physical form then. रो लेते हैं तो काफी लाइट फील करते हैं लोग. So बचपन से शायद यही सिखाया जाता है, रोते नहीं है, लड़के नहीं रोते. So that's I think now at least we are changing.
Yeah, yeah.
Kunal, I hope you're not crying.